Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music onto your profile on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, if you wish to add music onto your profile, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on your user ID. This will then take you into your profile page, from which you will see the edit profile button. Go ahead and tap on it and now scroll all the way down and then tap on edit your about info. Now within this page, just keep scrolling down until you find the music section. From here, tap on add music and then click on the plus icon at the top right corner and you will see various different suggestions. You can also use the search box to search for your desired music or artist. And once you find your desired song, you can just tap on it or hear the preview by tapping on the play button. After choosing the song or music, you may also choose multiple ones to be viewed on your profile. Finally, tap on the select button and now whenever somebody views your profile, they will also be able to find the music that you have added within your music section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add music within your profile on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.